The horizontal board is not good. That's the wrong way you hold the racket. Today I'll teach you the correct way to hold the racket. Middle of thumb and index finger stuck on the side of the racket. Put your thumb on the half circle of the racket. If a friend with long fingers can hold it up. 3 fingers clench the racket. Put your index finger on the lower right of the racket. The whole racket doesn't seem to lean towards the forehand. And no backhand bias. This is not correct. You see, this racket is a little biased towards the backhand. When the forehand was playing, the ball will not pass the net. If it's to the left, to the forehand, but it's hard to play with the backhand. It's easy, because the racket will go down, so be sure to put it in the middle. Stuck here, the advantage is that you can make your arms parallel to the edge of the table. It's good for pulling away and hitting the ball.